guys, it's Maddie Ray and welcome back to my channel. So you can probably already tell what I am filming for this video by the title of this video, but today I am filming what I got for my birthday 2018. But it was my 15th birthday yesterday and so many people have been asking me what I got for my birthday, so I decided to film this video because then everybody can just watch what I got, and in one video instead of me sending like loads of different videos, I can just like show them all in this video. So that's what I'm doing today. And yeah, so pretty much I'm just going to be showing you what I got for my birthday. And again, I feel like it's reasonable to say this in every video, and pretty much most people do this in their videos, but I'm a little disclaimer, I'm not trying to brag here whatsoever. I'm so grateful with everything that I got, and I'm so shocked that I got these presents, because as you can probably tell, there's one present that I received which I am like over the moon about, and I literally can't even deal. Like, it's so unreal that I got it, but you'll see that later in the video. And I was only expecting to get that gift, which I was so happy with because that's like the main thing that I really wanted. So I'm so lucky and so grateful to have gotten other gifts from my family and from my friends as well. So I'm just putting out there that I'm not trying to brag at all. This video has been requested, so that is what I am doing for you guys today. So without further ado, let's get started. So to start off, I'm just going to show you some of the presents that my friends got me, and then I will move on to my family presents. And yeah, so the first thing I got from some of my best friends was this penny bag, and I literally can't deal. I love this bag so much. I've always wanted one of these bags, but I didn't really know where to get them from, which one I wanted, and they know me so well and got me this. I really like this and was so grateful for it because it's literally the perfect size, and because it's coming into summer in Australia, I'm going to be going to the beach a lot, so it's like the perfect beach bag as well. And yeah, I can just fit everything in there. As you can tell, it's quite full at the moment because I went to Taylor Swift, and I've got like lots of stuff in here, just like my wallet, my AirPods, and just like the tickets and food and stuff. So as you can tell, it can fit a lot of stuff, and I'm so grateful for this, and I literally love it so much, and I've been wearing it everywhere. Thank you to you guys, you know who you are. And then they also got me some scrunchies. I've only got one here because I'm obsessed with this one because I just think it matches with my hair really well, so thank you for this as well. From one of my other best friends, I got this Ted Baker bag, and I literally love this so much. I love the colour and the size and just everything about this, and the glossiness. It's so good because I can use this as a bag for all my toiletries. As you can tell right now, I've got all my skincare and stuff in here, and it's actually the perfect size to fit so much stuff in here. I've got like a lot in here, but it doesn't look overcrowded or anything. I don't think people realise how good presents like this are, because it's not something you're not going to use and you're just going to have it lying around your room or something. Like these like wash bags or little makeup bags are so good, because people really need bags to be able to put stuff in when they're traveling or just when they're going on a sleepover or somewhere else. And honestly, so good, and it's like the perfect thing. So I'm so grateful for this, and I love it so much, so thank you for this. Some other presents I got from my good friends are these two bracelets. They're from different people, but I just want to show you them all together. So this is what they look like. I haven't got any bracelets that I actually love to wear because I never really thought bracelets suited me until I got these two bracelets, and I literally love them so much. I know gold and silver doesn't really go together and you can't really wear them together, but I don't really care because I just love them so much, so I wanted to wear both of them at the same time. And I just think they're so gorgeous and so pretty, and like quite different as well. Like I wouldn't really wear like the gold one, but I think it looks really good with the tan. And I actually love them so much, and they know me so well, and I just think they're really good, and they go with like everything, and I can't stop wearing them. Like I'm wearing them to school, I'm wearing them out when I go and do sport, like everything. I'm just always wearing them because I love them so much. So thank you for these as well. One of my other friends, I got some rings. So I got these rings here, and I got given these earrings here, which I really love because I wanted a pair of hoops earrings that have the like dangly stars in them. Yeah, because I really wanted some earrings that had the hoops and then the little stars dangling down off them, and I love them. Those earrings there also came with 2 other of those hooped earrings, one in silver and one in rose gold, and those ones were the gold ones. They also came with these star earrings as well, and you get gold, silver and rose gold as well. These are the rose gold ones, so thank you for those. Myself, I had a voucher for Wrapped, so I got these earrings here, which I absolutely love. They're like little, they're the same as the other ones I just showed you before, but they're a bit smaller, and they've got moons on them instead of stars, and I just love them, and I can't stop. Just love them, and I can't stop wearing them, and I just yes, so thank you for that as well. So now moving on to family gifts and stuff that I got from my family. So the first thing I got was this water bottle, which says Punch on it, and I think it's by the brand Punch. I don't really know, but I know that you can get these water bottles from Swell as well, and I actually love this. I love the matte black, and I think for some reason right now I'm loving matte black. I said it's coming into summer now, so I'll be going to the beach a lot, and I know these water bottles keep water cold, and it's going to be really hot outside, so this is going to come in handy a lot because I'm going to be able to have cold water all the time. So that's perfect, and this is such a good gift to get. The next thing I got were these 2 Lush bath bombs, and I'm not going to open them because they're going to get everywhere, and I've got white sheets and I don't really want that to happen, but I'll insert a little image on the screen so you can see what they look like. So I got the Intergalactic one, which most of you probably know. That one's a really popular one, and it's like makes your bath all blue and like pink and stuff, so I absolutely love this one. Then I also got the Golden Wonder, which I've never heard of before, but I'm pretty sure it's like, I haven't opened it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's like gold, obviously, because it says Golden Wonder, and it will leave like nice gold shimmer on you. Apparently that's what Dad said, it leaves like a nice shimmery on you because it's probably glittery gold, and they all smell so good, and I literally actually pulled them out of the bag and was like, wow, honestly so good. So I got these as well. The next thing I got was a lunchbox, and some people might think, oh, it's a bit weird to get a lunchbox, but not for me. I actually really like this because I don't have a lunchbox, so I just chuck all my stuff into my bag and they're just in there. Well, obviously I'll put them in plastic bags, but I don't really think it's good to be using a lot of plastic bags and then I just like waste them and chuck them out and stuff. So it's really good to get a lunchbox, and it's like I don't know the material, but it's like hard, but like you get 3 different sizes, so like a big one, a small one, and then another small one. And it's something that I am so excited for, and I really wanted, and I was not expecting to get this, was the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. And I really wanted this because I really wanted something from the Peach Perfect like range, because they've got the eyeshadow palette and some like, I don't know what it is, I think something peach blush, I don't know, but I really wanted a new foundation because I'm about to run out of my NARS one, and that's a matte one as well, and so is this. So I was really looking forward to get. I received the Origins Ginseng moisturizer, which I absolutely love, and I don't know if you might have seen in one of my other videos that I use this a lot, because I tried this out one time to see if I would like it, and ever since I have loved it. I think it's the best moisturizer because it's so hydrating, and I literally love it so much. And I just ran out of my other one, and then in my Mecca Beauty lip I received like a sample size of it, so I used that as well, and then I ran out, and I didn't really have the money at the time to just go and buy a new one because they're like quite expensive. So I was really lucky to receive this because I love it, so now I've got a whole new one to be able to use again. So then I just received loads of chocolates and lollies and stuff from my brother and sister, so I was really happy to get this because, you know, I'm such a sweet tooth, so I love stuff like this. And then yesterday we also went into Mecca because our beauty loot boxes had came and arrived, and I realised that from Mecca they give you a birthday present when it's your birthday. So I got this here, and it is the full size Illuminating Primer and Makeup Perfecting Mist, which I think is such an amazing gift, like such a good gift to get because you get 2 of them. And I've got this in the smaller size already, which I also have put on my face today, and I have almost used that up, but it's lasted such a long time in the smaller like bottle, so this is going to last so long. And this is just like a setting spray as well, so I'm so excited to have been able to get these as well. And I got this candle which I absolutely love because, and then I got this candle which I absolutely love because I love burning candles in my room, and it was really good to be able to get this because now I finally have like a summery scent that I can just like have in my room all the time. And I feel like candles just change my whole mood. If it's like a good smelling candle and it's like smells like summer, I'm actually gonna like feel really happy because I love summer. So it is, what's the scent? It's lime and coconut, and that is one of my favorite scents. Like, we got this lime and coconut body moisturizer from Sukin, and I absolutely love that. So when I got this, I was like, oh my gosh, it's in a candle version, so that's great. So now for my main present, which I am honestly so like grateful to receive and so happy about it. Like, it literally doesn't feel real at all. Like, it does not feel like I got this. And so I was, oh, honestly, we went to, and I can't even speak, so I'm just going to show you. But I got the iPhone XR, and this just came out on Friday, which was the 26th, and my birthday is the 27th, so literally 2 days, wow, thank you. So literally 2 days ago, and it's just amazing, and I just can't, it's so good. And like, not too big but not too small, it's just the perfect size. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on. I'm going to show you the phone, but I literally can't deal and I love it so much. So this is the box of it, and here is the actual phone, and I honestly can't even deal. I went with the black version because I knew I wasn't going to get sick of it, and some of the other colours were quite vibrant, as you may have seen if you've seen this phone before. But this is what it looks like from the front. It's just got the X front, and then on the back, I'll take the case off. I also got this matte black case, which I really love, and as I said, I really like matte things at the moment, so this is just perfect, and it just makes it look like clean and just nice. And it's one of those like dual protection ones that has like 2 parts, so it's like very protective as well in case I do drop it, because I don't want to do that. And so this is what it looks like. It's just got the glass back, and it's got the 1 camera instead of the 2 cameras like the other iPhone X, but it's got the flash down the bottom, so the cases are still like the ones that go down, but it is a little bit smaller than the actual iPhone X, and it's just a little bit smaller than the iPhone X Max. Not by much though, just by a little bit, and it is bigger than the normal iPhone X, so I think it's the perfect size because it's just like in between. It's more closer to the Plus than it is the small, and I really wanted a Plus phone, so this is perfect. I also got a screen protector on it because, you know, I don't want this breaking anytime soon, and I don't want a scratched phone. So let me just pop this back on. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I honestly can't deal. I love it so much. I'm still getting used to it though. Like, I don't know how hard to press down on the buttons. I keep going to like take screenshots, but like there's no buttons. You have to like press the volume button and the turn off button and turn on button. So I'm still really new to it and don't really understand how to use a lot of things, but hopefully soon I'll get more used to it and understand how, like, what to do. But I'm just so grateful to have received this anyway, and I actually love it. And I was worried it wasn't going to look very good with the just 1 camera, but I think it looks really, really nice and really, really clean. So yeah, that's pretty much just what I got. So that is everything that I got for my birthday. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So comment down below or click on the poll. I'll do that like somewhere on the screen if you would like me to film a updated what's on my iPhone, because I had to set it up as a new phone, so I've got completely different apps, everything's changed around and looks very different. So I would love to film one of those if you'd like to see that. and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a video. Once again, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you later. Bye guys.